What's up guys? Today I have an iPhone 11 running iOS 16 and I'm going to show you how you can erase the entire iPhone, deleting all the data. So to do that you have to go to settings and go to general and then scroll all the way down to where it says transfer or reset iPhone. So you click here and then erase all contents and settings. The bottom one you tap here and then it's just giving you warning, you're gonna lose all the apps and data. Erasing, remove your personal data so this iPhone can be safely, the following items will be safely removed. Okay, not now. Continue, erase iPhone. So if you, let's say, selling your phone or you just wanna erase your old iPhone, that's how you wipe out all the data. But mind you, if you were logged in with your Apple ID, once you set it up again, it's gonna ask for that Apple ID. So if you, let's say if you're buying a phone and someone already erased it and it's on the screen where you can start setting it up as a new phone, make sure you set it up completely and you gotta make sure that it does not ask for the Apple ID and password. Because see right now after erasing it's booting up again. So I'll show you when it boots up, it's gonna ask for Apple ID and password because I did not log out of my Apple ID. So just bear with me, it's gonna take a couple of minutes. Actually it's gonna go through the process now. So it comes out to this screen now after erasing, and now I'll show you when you try to set it up. And then you give it the Wi-Fi. Sorry, I'm just putting the password. Okay, and then you click join. But before erasing, if you log out of your Apple ID, then it's not going to ask for a password once you're trying to set it up. Okay, so you just have to go through a few steps. Passcode, don't use passcode, and then don't transfer apps or data, and then here you can skip Apple ID. Terms and conditions. So if you set up the whole iPhone and it didn't ask you for your previous Apple ID password, that means you're good to go. Your phone is okay.
I'm
It's
Siri.
not
Choose the
Apple ID logged or iCloud logged. And that's it. We're almost done. Welcome to iPhone. So right now it does not have any data whatsoever. Everything is erased and it's just like brand new phone. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in next.